Hello to all of you at the 15th Film Spring Open Workshop. I am so honored to get to talk to you. Slavomir Idziak, who is my dear friend and who I was lucky enough to get to work with on A Tale of Love and Darkness when I directed my first film. He is just the greatest, greatest cinematographer and an incredible human being, and I feel so lucky for you that you get to have him as your mentor. I hope that you are inspired by these tumultuous times to make art that will move people, that will give people greater empathy for one another, and that will create images and moments and emotion that have not been explored thus far. You each have so much inside of you that only your individual experience can express on the screen, and I look forward to seeing all that you make. So enjoy your film workshop. Feel very lucky to have such a great artist leading you, and look forward to working with you all one day as successful directors, cinematographers, and the other avenues you pursue.